I am 5 feet 8.5 inches tall, and I used to cry all day, all night. I wouldn't sleep. I lost weight crying because one of the reasons for this was because I wanted to be short. I wanted to be your height. And I've always heard people shorter than me tell me, how are you so tall? Tell me, how are you so tall? Do you drink Complan? What do you do? I wish I was as tall as you. Can we exchange heights? Please give me your height. I want my boyfriend to be as tall as you. I want this height difference. And people have even taken photos with me pretending that I'm their boyfriend, like with the hoodie and everything. So I have always been the tall person in a friend group, in any friend group, or in my class. I used to be one of the last people to stand in a line, in a height wise line, and even in school. But growing up, I wasn't extremely proud of the fact that I was tall. I wanted to be short because this is about. I wanted to be short. Do you know Ariana Grande? So I wanted a, I wanted to be as short as Ariana Grande so that I could look cute and have a cute height difference with my boyfriend or with my partner, so that we could look cute together. Like I would just be like this cute little girl because in my head, boys liked small, cute girls or whatever, and I took myself as tall and intimidating for boys, which now I like. But usually, I mean, before I used to not like the fact that I'm tall and intimidating. So I wanted to be you when you wanted to be me, when it comes to height at least. And what I've realized is you need to work with what you have. Now I love my height. Now I want to be taller. I want to be at least 5'10, 5'11. I can't do that. You want to be taller. You can't do that. Even if you and me, we both cry about it every single day till we die, we cannot get taller or we cannot get shorter, right? I mean, if you have already crossed your puberty and you have reached your maximum height, that is, you cannot grow taller. So what is the point of crying about something that you can't even change? You can't change this, right? So might as well focus on something that you can change. You are short, that's it. But that doesn't have to be your whole identity, that you are this short girl. There are so many things you can focus on which can be changed over time. For example, you can have a good physique, a good body that you're proud of. I feel like a good physique which shows that you work out, you have discipline, you take care of you take care of yourself, is insanely attractive and healthy and nice, which you are investing in yourself that way. You should shift your focus towards something which you can do something about instead of something which you can do nothing about. For example, your skin. If you have acne, if you have scars, if you pop your pimples like me, you should start taking care of your skin. You should watch videos, you should go to a dermatologist. You can do things about it. You should change your diet to have more glowy skin. You can have that. You can change your skin. What else can you do? You can learn new skills. You can develop new hobbies, skills, anything you're passionate about. Focus more on your passion. If you like dancing, join a dance class. Or you can have the opposite mindset. If you hate something, you do it. for example, I can make a different video about it, but I hate coffee. That's why I did a coffee course, a barista training course, and I learned so much about it. My perspective has changed. I still hate coffee, but I've learned a lot about it. Anyway, focus on things which you can do something about. That is the whole point of this video that I'm making. Now you are short, and there are people who are going to call you Batli, who are going to call you Batla, who are going to like make fun of you. They are going to pat their hand, they are going to pat your head, and whatever. But no one can do anything. No one in this world, including yourself, can do anything about your height right now. So what is the point of regretting that you were born with this height? What is the point of regretting that your parents were short or their parents were tall but you got these genes? What is the point of blaming your genes? There's nothing you can do about it. So focus on something which you can do something about. That is the whole point. Because if you keep on focusing on something which is pointless in the end, which is pointless, your height has nothing to do with your character, the way you treat people, how kind you are or how bad you are, whatever. It has nothing to do with your personality. Nothing. Okay, it has nothing to do with that. Though I would argue a tall person is perceived differently, is perceived more intimidatingly, is perceived more maybe respectfully, whatever. But short people have their own perks. Everything has pros and cons. You need to focus on your pros and then get over it. That's all. Get over it. Focus on something you can do something about. Bye.